So we're putting up a windbreak. We bought this for Gold Pine, didn't we?
Yeah.
Which was by far the cheapest. How much was that?
$162, 50 metres of netting, should cover the whole fence.
Yeah, so we're just doing this stretch of fence that's kind of got what we're calling our orchard. We've really only got 4 apple trees, but you know, one day it will look far grander. So we've got our apple trees and we got some raspberries going on there as well. So, but yeah, this gets some major wind going on around here. So yeah, we're going to put up this windbreak. So we'll see how we go. So yes, as you can see, the grass kind of grows right up, so it's sort of a case of we're just going to have to pull it away as we go. We've got a knife with us so we can just hack away at the grass, and we'll look at poisoning it all as well along here after we've hacked some of it back a bit, just so we can get it going all the way from top to bottom. Got some poly clips as well, so yes, we'll show you how we do it. So these are the clips, if you like a little crocodile. I'm being eaten by the crocodile. Sorry. So we want it nice and tight, so otherwise the wind blows it, of course, and if it's left to flap, then it'll just tear over time. So we just want it nice and
tight. I might actually pull that out with a hammer later. Looking nice and straight.
I'll just pull it out and put it back in again. Oh yeah. There you go, just clip it on just like that. One clip on top, clip on the bottom, and here, I'll say we probably want a couple in the middle just on the end bit.
Yeah. Minutes or so just to clear all the stuff, all the
grass
out by hand. To that, it's taken us about 10 minutes to do that, so it's actually going up a lot quicker than I thought.
Yeah, it's not bad.
We'll get back to it. Yay.
There you go, so far so good. Clint's doing the bottom bit, I'm doing the top bit. And yes, we're not quite halfway there. It's reasonably quick and easy progress. It's just very hot out here. Right, keep going. I actually think we're going to run out of clips. I think we're going to slightly fall short. I think we put a few more clips on than what they recommend, but we get some massive winds at our place. Sort of maybe every 1.5 foot we've put a clip, because well, our neighbours have got this up and theirs is just torn to shreds, so we're putting the clips on at quite regular intervals. Yeah, so we're hoping we put the clips on
about every 1.5 foot on the top and every 1.5 foot
yeah,
on the bottom.
It's sort of every 1.5 foot-ish we've got them. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we might fall short, we may have to buy more, but it's better than having it, you know, ripping up. So leave us a comment after the fact, please, if you know there's a correct way of cutting it. But we're just using a wee knife, and you know.
They didn't tell us any different at my 10, so.
No, they didn't.
That is not the correct way.
check out all of that. That's looking pretty awesome. Got our raspberries behind there, so they'll all be nicely sheltered from the wind.
100 clips or something.
We got our apple trees behind there, and
Beehive.
yes, you can't really see it from there. We do have a beehive there. We haven't got bees in it yet, but we will. But that is looking pretty awesome. See one of our apple trees blossoming behind there. Yay! Hopefully we might get a few apples. But anyway, there you go. That's how to do it. Or that's how we do it. If we did it wrong, leave us a comment, please.